gastronomical journey with 29 street meal. So we had dahi puri and Mumbai special pav bhaji, and they were really awesome, spicy and tangy.
हम लोग का भी एक है।
It boosted up our energy to roam around the full crowd to find out what's there more. Next we went to Budapest Bakehouse to have something very new. It was Italian chicken chimney.
Italian chimney, chicken chimney. It looks like a pav. You can see it is a pav. And that is chicken. Friendship day is like Adhura without friend, and today I'm with my friend Ishita. Say hello. Hi. So what are you having? I'm having one chicken chimney and some biryani.
We found this biryani corner from biryanis and more. As it was too much crowded, so we were not able to manage any seat. So somehow found a corner and ate there standing.
So warm welcome, good afternoon to the lovely people of Hyderabad. Great Indian Restaurant Festival Unplugged.
So much crowded here, you can see behind me that I thought to have some shake from frozen bottle, but due to too much crowd I just have this black currant ice cream because it's too much crowded, and now I am losing my patience and can't wait. There's so much crowd. Finally, we got to sit. Still, you can see the crowd is too much, but I'm happy that I'm able to sit now. Otherwise, it is like too bad to stand and eat and too much crowd and too much loud music also. So those who like that, for them it's good. But मैं थोड़ा खाने के टाइम थोड़ा पीस घूमती हूँ. So anyways, I'm happy I've got a seat now. Got some great sushi California roll from Hasi actually. What you have brought?
So this is the appam with chicken korma, and I got it from the Taj Krishna stall itself.
Okay.
So I'm just going to try in front of you and tell you.
Yeah, okay.
It's got some coconutty flavor.
Okay.
And the appam is soft and crunchy. It's nice. No.
That beautiful song, I went for a second round of ice cream from frozen bottle, and this time it was caramelized one. बारिश गाना और खाना, that's how my this gastronomical journey went. And before going to home, I went for another round of chaat, and this time some dahi aloo tikki from 29 Street Bakery.
So guys, we are done for the day, and it was a very good day. Actually, the friendship day was celebrated well, and you know